Um, in that industry, it's very common for people to enter it at a young age, but also leave, by the time they are 35 or 40 and go into another career. So you sort of, you can think of it as having a shorter half career, and then people go into something else, and you get fresh blood. To some extent, the armed forces also do this. So I think that's a model that might be something that you should consider, is to actually look at short career, possibilities where people come in, spend some time. And the reason they do that is for the, in return for the hardship, maybe the compensation is better. There's another word, another meaning for the word talent in Old English. I don't know, Dave might know this. If you read Merchant of Venice, you'll find it there. It says it means money. Okay, so if you throw enough talents at the problem, people might bite. But I think even then, people would not probably bite. A large number would not bite to stay on there till retirement. Probably quit by the age of 40 or something and settle down somewhere into a more comfortable position, and then you can get fresh blood. Maybe that's the model to use. That's a thought that I want to leave some of you with. And increasingly, there's a sort of a tendency, it's seen as a very positive thing. The perception among people is to actually change career midways, do something that you like, do something after your heart. This is considered, this has a positive image today. A lot of people like to say that I've got out and I'm now doing something which is, what I wanted to do. So it may fit that model also. This is because people may not mind sort of going out and taking up these kind of jobs in drilling platforms and remote areas and so on, and do it for 20, 15, years or so and then get out.